They need to do better, man. Some defense or something, man. Really and truly, bro. Our defense suck.
I will start tripping once it get to the fourth quarter. You might well, them niggas might as well stay on the sideline.
But you know what though, Jake? Honestly, nigga, like all honesty, Texans have always been like that, bro. They not clutch, bro. They're not clutch. They're not clutch.
That is crazy,
they play a good game. First half, quarter, second half, fourth quarter, bro. It's like they start choking.
Start losing their mind.
Yeah, like I say, man, I ain't a Texans hater, man. I just don't like what they did to my boy. But I mean, y'all look good, man. Y'all just gotta start closing.
Yeah, man. This is gonna be a long year, Kenny.
So,
it's gonna be a long year, man. Yeah.
Say, man, teams is winning that we never thought would win. Nigga, Miami.
They came back and won.
Bro,
they
against Lamar Jackson.
Like they was down like 20. Was it 28 to 3 or something like that? Something crazy.
I think the final score. Damn, Jakey. I want to say the final score was like they lost by 3 because they hit a field goal. So was it 26-23? 26-23?
Yeah, that's what I think it was. That's what I think it was. I'm gonna pull it up. I gotta pull up all this stuff.
Or either it was 20-23, something like that. But I know they won by a field goal. Like I say, I think they 3 points. 3 points. Man, these teams is beefed up this year, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think it's on surprise. These teams is beefed up. But I guarantee you this, watch this here. The people that's gonna go to the Super Bowl, you ain't gonna expect them to go. Watch. Watch.
You say the ones that gonna go to the Super Bowl this year?
Yep. Ain't nobody gonna expect it. But I think it's gonna be the weakest link team that's gonna go to the Super Bowl. It's gonna surprise everybody.
Man,
your
boys losing left and right.
Who?
Now I'm saying period. Let me let old Brady trying to get.
Did Dallas lose?
I don't know. Did they play? Did they play tonight? Or they
played? Y'all played. They played at 4, at 3.
Oh, I'm gonna pull them all up. Let me I'll let Birdie up in here.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull them all up right now. Birdie, if you watch, nigga, I sent it, nigga. Yeah.
I seen somebody say resend it.
Yeah, that was Birdie. I sent it twice. Yeah, let's check out the scores, man.
What you think y'all need to work on, man?
Who? Texans or who?
Texans. Texans.
They got a lot. They first they need to. This boy is getting smashed, like he don't even know it's coming. That's the thing. He don't know it's coming.
To my meals.
Yeah.
Yeah,
people will know it's coming, and then they'll be trying to get off the ball, or they're trying to do something. He don't know it's coming. He that man put him almost. Nah, he took him all the way off the ground when he threw that. Like what's going on here?
Bro, they wrapped that boy.
Feel the pressure on you. You don't.
That nigga, nah.
It's like you have no awareness that. Come on, man. I know sometimes the line be, but man, you gotta be better aware. You gotta have more awareness than that, man. That is crazy.
He gotta have the QB vision all the way around, man.
All right, man. Anybody can run up on him. He won't even know it.
Listen, that nigga, he just be running. I ain't lying to you. I say, yeah.
I think we had he got sacked 3 times today?
It's either 3 or 4, Jay. I don't want to say 4, but I know 3 for sure, but it might be 4.
3 for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, we got that Carolina game still going on. Carolina and Raiders. They in overtime.
Carolina Raiders?
Yeah.
And hey, Colin Moore, hey, did the boys win Arizona? They was in overtime last time I looked.
Okay, who I just said?
You said Carolina and Raiders.
Okay, now
I think you mean Arizona and Raiders.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm looking at Cardinals, talking about Carolina. That's crazy. But yeah, Cardinals, they tied up overtime. The Dolphins beat the Ravens.
Dolphins.
Oh, that's the game I was talking about. The Dolphins came back.
Bro, came back.
Baltimore was up.
Yes, they was. They was.
Baltimore was up. And that score was 42-38.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think it was tied at 38-38. When they kicked the field goal, made it 42. No.
The field goal, no, that's how they won. That's the game was 42-38.
Touchdown. Touchdown. They made a touchdown.
So I feel like my perspective or expectations for Davis.
Yo. You gotta turn your TV down, Brady.
That boy
still madness to these niggas.
Same boys talking.
Your phone breaking up, buddy. Oh no, that's Kenny. Somebody's phone breaking up.
Hey man, hey, don't get on here with that bullshit, bro.
Yeah, you get that weak ass Cleveland, Kenny.
That's why we lost.
Nah, nigga, that ain't why. That ain't why, nigga.
Cleveland on janky, but
them niggas wrong. That was an upset. That was an upset.
That's crazy, man. Who?
That was an upset.
2 straight games now.
What was upset?
Both games, there's been opportunities late.
Cleveland.
Oh, the Jets.
Nah, the Jets, bro. The Jets, man. The Jets.
Anything can happen, nigga.
That's true. That is true.
Anything can happen. I'm trying to tell you, don't be doing that hating.
Hey, you seen the boy Brady?
Let Chop up in here. Hey, dog. Brady, I'm on there messaging. I just seen somebody had scored on the Cleveland, and it was 30-17, and it was like 4 minutes or something left. So I'm like, these things. So I'm talking to Kenny for about a good minute, and then here you come hit me with the message talking about, nah, you better watch out. Them niggas winning.
Janky Brady.
And Kenny talking like they had already won, like he was, in the game, watching the game, and he didn't say nothing about they scored a touchdown or a field goal or nothing.
Man, that game right there went 4 quarters. Them niggas was battling the whole game with them boys.
Yeah, they did. That really was a good game. It was a good game.
Yeah.
That was a good game.
Man, what's the name in overtime right now?
Arizona.
Yeah, I see Kyler gay ass.
Mm-hmm. That nigga trying to work for that 189. You know they got it, boy, 189.
Man, that nigga, they'll be tripping, man. They got a solid ass team.
They do. Hey, what's up with Hawkins, man?
That was the second. That was the. You said what's up with Hopkins? I thought he out for 6 weeks or something. 6 to 8 weeks or something.
He got hurt last season.
Your phone breaking up, Brady. What'd you say?
Ain't no hurt. That nigga did that here PD.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Pop that boy that PD.
Come on, man.
Yeah. Well, JJ, I think, did JJ come back today?
Did JJ play today?
No, JJ ain't play today. Maybe next game.
Yeah.
How you know, Kenny?
He don't know shit.
He ain't been on the field.
You can't pass up opportunities. There's 50 seconds on the clock.
Okay, that was the first game, Kenny. That Dolphins and Ravens, and then y'all game was that 31-30. You know, y'all niggas lost. And then okay, my bad. Hey, the Jags put a beat down on the Colts 24-0. That's crazy.
24-0.
Hey, but them boys been having them boys number past couple years, man.
The Jags? I thought the Jags been only winning 1 or 2 games a year.
No, they've been whooping the Colts ass them 1 or 2 games.
We always have trouble.
We knocked them boys knocked the Colts out last year to go to the playoffs in their last game. They whooped the Colts.
Yeah, they did. Yep. Y'all the only ones that be battling with them boys.
Huh?
I said y'all the only ones that be battling with them.
Yeah, we don't want to whoop their head. We don't want to be beating the Jaguars like Tom Myers.
Yeah, every time, every year.
Now watch the Colts turn around. I wouldn't be surprised next week the Colts whoop Kansas City ass.
That's gonna be some fluke ass shit.
Yeah, they've been whooping Kansas City ass though.
Kansas lost today or they ain't played yet?
They played Thursday.
Kenny, you gotta get some better signal going on over there, man. You have stuff going in and out. And you talk, and then you looking, you got your eyes closed. Okay.
Shut up, nigga.
You getting stuck, Kenny.
It's stuck?
Well, you was. You unstuck now.
Okay, I gotta turn my damn again. Nigga, I can see everything going on.
Jakey, that must be you, Jakey.
That's Jake, bro, because I'm moving. I'm moving, bro.
Yeah, me and Kenny ice water.
Yeah, I think that's that water behind you, man. You know, that G-time.
The water, they be trying to put that water on, G.
Hey, man. Nah. These niggas, boy. Hey, I told Jake, Bird, I say, boy, you probably going to be surprised who makes it to the Super Bowl this year.
Yeah.
These niggas,
they doing right now, man. It's early right now. Niggas gonna come down and get the playing better ball at the while. Niggas ain't running bullshit. The Rams almost lost.
Who they played?
The Falcons. The Falcons down there whooped their ass.
Oh, damn.
With the Rams?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Buffalo play tonight?
Let me see what other game came on you, Kenny.
No, we put tomorrow, nigga. You gonna see the Super Bowl feature tomorrow, nigga.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, you gonna see that, nigga.
Detroit played the Commanders. 36-20. 36-27. Huh? Yeah, that was a weak game.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you what was crump though. That Miami was crump.
That was a good game.
Hey, that looked like that was a crazy game.
Yeah, that was a good game.
That game was crump. I watched
they scored 20-something points in the third or the fourth quarter.
They scored 28. They scored 28 in the fourth quarter.
The Dolphins, huh? Yeah, this happened in the fourth quarter. They surpassed the Colts how they did us last week.
They did. I ain't gonna lie to you, them boys. Them niggas got a shot of steroids or something.
Special promotion.
Yeah, them goddamn niggas doing shit.
Lottie Dottie, what up?
What's happening?
What's going down?
Welcome to Louisiana.
Hey, man.
Got a casino resort.
Chop, look like you finna take a long ride, bro.
Chop, trying to do you, Chop. Let him try to do you, Chop. He trying to play you, Chop.
That whole ass nigga hating y'all taking a long ride too, long ass nigga.
I ain't bro. I'm over here rubbing my head, bro. I ain't lying.
Y'all play Thursday, kid.
Yeah, man.
Y'all play Pittsburgh Thursday.
This Thursday?
Yep.
Damn.
Kenny, you had really thought y'all had the game in the books, huh?
I did. That's why I'm talking that shit, man. Bird Janky somebody, nigga, don't get too happy. I'm like, what you talking about? My phone tripping, nigga. I'm like, this nigga Bird Janky, man.
What?
I was watching the end of that motherfucker on that red zone. I said,
hey, what you was watching it on, Bird? What you was watching it on?
Red zone.
Hey.
I got that NFL Plus.
I got that 5 stick.
Yeah, you got the right
doofus,
thing,
that doofus
it was
work.
free. I gotta pay $4.99 a month.
Oh no, I killed that. Why you ain't do it on Doofu? No, Doofu picked up all games.
No, I tried. I'm doing something wrong, I guess, because I couldn't get it.
Kenny the one told me they wasn't doing it right or something.
Oh yeah, you doing something wrong then, brother. You can watch every game on that motherfucker.
For free?
Yeah.
For the free. Man, Brady don't play for
nothing. Well, you was watching the game at the thing. On Dufu? Who's this?
Chop.
Chop. Oh.
Nah, it wasn't working for me. What you gotta click on?
You a Cleveland fan, Kenny?
I know, nigga.
You gotta click on that boy. If one of them ain't showing right, they gonna give you about 3, 4, 5 different streams. And you just click on whichever one.
Oh, okay. So you know what? I did click on one of the streams. It wasn't working. I should have went down the line. Okay.
Yeah, you should have. After that boy don't work on one stream, get all the way out of it and just go to another stream. Don't get.
Okay.
That boy even be streaming live on YouTube.
The Dufu?
Yep.
You know what? I did see it on YouTube. I tried that. That's what didn't work.
See it, Kenny. Yeah,
okay, you're supposed to go to the second one that said HD.
Okay, I ain't do that. I ain't do that. Okay. What y'all doing? Is this song? What nigga like grass? What is that? Dirt song? What's it?
That's Bird, nigga.
Nah, Birdie over there look like a ladder over there. Chop like he looking at the ground.
Chop ain't even on the screen, nigga. That's
yeah,
Birdie's screen.
Oh, it was something.
He was on that freeway, so it must have. Yeah, he'll click back in once he get in a better area. All right, what that was, Kenny? What the last game I told you? The weak Commanders.
Yeah, the Commanders, yo.
You had the Bucks beat the Saints 20-10.
That was a good game. I don't know if y'all seen that game. That was a good game.
Yeah, I ain't see that one. The Giants 2-0. Well, they beat the Panthers. But the Giants 2-0? That's crazy.
Yep.
Giants got a better record than us.
I'm telling you.
And the Jets.
Shit.
Yeah, after the day for sure.
They 2-0?
The Patriots beat the Steelers. Oh man,
I've seen it.
Rams edged the Falcons 31-27. 49ers beat the Seahawks 27-7.
Brother, turn your TV down.
My boy Trey Lance broke his ankle today.
The Cowgirls won.
Yeah, they won. They won.
That boy say 2017, brother.
Yeah,
they won. They pulled it off. They pulled it off. I'm sorry, they're gonna lose the game for that.
Yeah, them whole ass niggas won.
Right.
That's crazy how the Colts got the same record as us. We both 1-1.
Hey, that's y'all division.
Everybody else got 2 digits, and I was got 3. 0-1. Everybody else 0-2 or 1-0. Man, we got boys, man. That's crazy.
Tell me
they fucked over.
Oh, they won. The Cardinals won.
They did
29-23. So they must have
touchdown.
They did a touchdown.
Ooh. Cardinals.
Oh shit.
29-23.
Yeah.
That's that game you went for the Raiders, huh, Brady?
Yep. Yep.
I sure did.
That's crazy how the Bengals 0-2 and you let Dallas beat you, man. Listen, y'all could let any other team beat you. I would let the Browns beat you. Well, no, not the Browns either.
Hold on, dog. See, why you gotta keep sharing the Browns, dog?
Not the Browns.
But they beat them boys, man. They got my boy Joe Burrow starting out looking real weak right now.
Who was that?
He'll be all right.
Joe Burrow.
Oh, damn. Oh, man. This will be an upsetting season.
Oh, as long as boys keep getting upset, that'll keep us at bay. If we lose, we'll still be in the mix if boys lose.
When Tennessee lose tomorrow, we'll be still all right.
No, they play tonight, don't they?
Huh?
I say Tennessee lost their first game.
Yeah. To the Jets. I mean to the Giants.
The Jets is not 2-0, brother.
They lost to the Giants.
Oh, well, Giants must be doing something this year, man.
I think so.
That defense live.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Who the quarterback over there?
Goddamn
they got
Mac Jones.
Hey, they say your boy came in today in Rick Shop.
Who? I know it. They won.
I know.
My boy broke his ankle today, man. Trey Lance broke his ankle today.
I had a little personal
Yeah, I see it. Hey, your people been asking about you.
Huh?
Your people been asking about you.
Oh, you went to the left spot?
Yeah, they say, where your cousin? Tell him come back.
Yeah, ain't been there some weeks now, them boys.
Yeah.
I got a different bottle on you now.
Alizé?
Yeah.
What you mixing that with?
With the grand.
That's pretty good.
It got a little something. I ran out of cream soda though. I gotta get it.
Oh, that's Chop drink. Chop like that Grand Marnier.
Nah, I put Chop on that, man. Shit.
That shit sweet, man. How you do that?
That Grand? Man, listen,
it's a top sweet.
It's a top shelf, Kenny.
It is, but it's sweet though. It's real sweet.
That's normally what you mix. That's normally what you mix with all the drinks. You go get a drink, you go top it off with that Grand, boy.
Hey, the Hennessy good with it.
You know you that. You get that.
Get that oil taste, huh? Yeah.
Taste it.
That shit too sweet, man.
Was that the last game? Texans, yeah, that's it. Ain't no game on right now to Titans. Titans play tomorrow.
The play now.
Bears and the Packers play it. Yeah, they're gonna play it in 10 minutes.
Say it again.
Bears and the Packers.
Who you rolling with?
The Packers. I'm rolling with Aaron, nigga. Okay. Against the Bears at that. Who the Bears got now? They ain't got Mitch Trubisky no more.
No, he gone. He out of there.
Brady, who the Bears?
They got Justin Fields. You tripping?
Oh, okay. Oh, say yeah. JP. You might want to rethink that.
I'm still rolling with Rodgers. Justin, he's still a young nigga in the game right now.
And the way shit been going, I wouldn't be surprised if Chicago win.
For real.
Yeah. Yeah.
That shit been crazy. The first 2 weeks been crazy.
Especially after Dallas won today. I can't. After Dallas won today, yeah, everybody capable of winning.
Everybody.
They're gonna be giving a lot of slack on that later. They're gonna be
because your boy asked for 6 games. Dak Prescott.
I'm gonna hear that shit all day tomorrow at work.
You got some Dallas fans you work with?
What? All my bosses Dallas fans. Which of them hoes from Dallas? I be like, fuck you hoes.
Them niggas be talking that cash shit too, boy.
Yeah, they're gonna be talking that noise tomorrow.
Damn, nigga, my manager. Yeah, that nigga, he's a fan too.
Them hoes play the Giants next Monday.
The Giants in the morning. Skip gonna start talking at 4 in the morning.
Oh yeah, Skip Crump.
He gonna come in with a jersey. He gonna come in with the number 11 jersey.
Yeah.
Shelly Sharp gonna be up there pissed off. Oh, Skip, come on, Skip.
That nigga hate them. Boy, he hate them hoes.
He ain't trying to hear all that this morning, Skip.
Man, them hoe ass niggas won too. Hoe ass niggas.
They did, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot. Shannon Sharp, Denver.
Oh yeah,
I forgot.
He ain't what. I think he figured they was gonna beat the Texans.
Yeah. Yep.
That's exactly what them niggas did.
They did.
They got your boy out here looking like a real rookie.
Oh. That nigga need to work on some footwork, man. That nigga fucked up.
They was on Sting last today.
Oh,
he
a rookie. You gotta expect that out of him. He gonna give you some good.
He needed that shit. He needed that shit because he was getting in the pocket last game.
How long Sutton been in the NFL? See, that boy was a bet today.
That nigga Davis Mills,
bro.
That nigga was playing so fucking scared and timid. He couldn't move in the pocket to help the offensive line. I'm like, come on, fam, slide up. Only way you getting sacked some of them times, your gay ass wasn't sliding up.
Yep. I mean, he's scared to get hit,
he was timid. And Denver wasn't really putting that pressure on like how these other teams gonna put on them when it really.
Yeah, no.
Man, Denver gave us that game all game. It got so bad to the crowd had to tell Denver when to hike the ball.
Hey, you seen the boys start saying, oh,
yeah.
They start doing because the boys got like 2 or 3 delayed games.
Yeah, then they used all that time out in the third quarter.
Yeah, that was crazy. How
the crowd was calling the game.
Lovie Smith, how ass ain't do no better.
I'm gonna get no more penalties, buddy.
Hey man, they boy need some work, man. What
the defense do again today? They wait to the fourth quarter to have these laps. They start catching passes and scoring touchdowns. They keep them at bay first, second, third quarter, field goal. Then here come the fourth quarter. You wait for the fourth quarter to let up on a touchdown. Oh my God.
They're not clutch, Jake. They ain't no clutch players, man.
They start trying to hit without wrapping up. Wrap up. Don't you out there trying to hit with your helmet.
Yeah, they missing so many damn tackles.
They get an extra 6-7 yards every time they hit them with the helmet. They converting an extra 6-7 yards. They spinning and twirling. I say, wrap the dude up. Just wrap his legs, man. Wrap him, man. Trying to get a hit stick play. They trying to get hit stick plays out there on the field.
They got that trending, man.
Better than that. And then it's like I say, the defense was stopping them both. They had a lot of stops.
Yeah, they did their job. They never feel so good. They had
a lot of stops.
Yeah, they will.
When your boy get in the game, once the offense get on the field, it's like, man, is we finna go 3-9? I know we about to go 3-9. We finna go 3-9. And then the running back got hurt. That's why we didn't see him no more at the end of the game. He got hurt.
Hello.
And they weren't even trying to get Burkhead the ball no more.
Hell no, they wouldn't.
So they like, man, we just gonna make Mills just throw the ball, and then he just started throwing it. Like he wasn't throwing it to nobody. He just
everybody. Fuck it. The referee, nigga, the crowd, they just throwing it.
You playing like you in high school, not college. That's crazy,
say, man. I don't know. Hey, who y'all second string?
Driscoll. That's who they should have put in there.
Yeah. Every time he get in there, he do something good. He make progress.
Yeah, but he don't never throw that though. He on the run it.
Yeah, he on the run it. It's like He act like he was going to throw it on that third, but I don't know. He seen something. He took out running. I was like, well, go. That boy started running, through niggas and everything. He picked up an extra couple of yards after getting the first down. I was like, okay.
Hey, did y'all see that play when Denver, it was 3rd and 12, and them niggas ran the ball? I was like, what the fuck? What are y'all doing?
When they tried to run the ball and got sacked, like when
3rd and 12. In the fourth quarter, you ain't see that? 3rd and 12, nigga, Denver ran the ball.
That's because they was up. They was up. You talking about when they was up?
No, they wasn't.
They was down 6-9.
Yeah.
That wasn't
So that was fourth quarter?
Fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter they had
yeah, because it was 6-6.
Yeah.
No, we didn't score in the fourth. We only scored in the third. I think that was third.
No,
the fourth quarter, because I said, man, these niggas stupid because they ran the ball on 3rd and 12.
Your boy went 3 for 3 today.
Huh?
If he let his ass kick last game, we'd have at least one.
You say what?
If that whole ass Love Smith would have let him kick the game when the last game was won.
Yeah.
Hey, what happened to y'all kicker, bro? they fired him, huh?
Who kicker?
The one messed off the game last week.
Oh, you can't mess off the game. Nigga, Fat Man doing this thing. What you talking about?
Oh, no, my bad. I'm talking for the coach.
Oh, yeah, they fired his ass.
Damn. Hey, they told that nigga walk straight to your car.
They got rid of him. I don't even think he got on the bus to go back to who we played at, to Indianapolis.
Nah, they made that nigga get the Uber. They made that nigga kiss the Uber. He called the Uber home.
Oh, man. That's a long Uber. That's a long Uber.
That nigga walked out with the crowd. Damn. Damn, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. I don't know, bro. This season gonna be interesting, man. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be real interesting.
Yep. That's about the best thing you said all week, Kenny.
Come on, what's up, bro?
It is. There's gonna be some good shit going on.
Yeah. So hold up, y'all say Chicago and the Packers play tonight, right?
They're gonna play right now.
Oh, 7:20. Okay.
Gonna get on that.
I don't know, Jake. I'm a book Aaron Rodgers, bro. I got to book him tonight. I think the Bears gonna win.
Ooh.
They might though, Kenny. You got Justin Fields.
Tell you. Look, that nigga. Jake, you didn't know who they had at first. Jake said,
I forgot though. They did.
Nigga Fields finna air the ass out. He finna air the ass out.
You think so?
What? Come on, man.
You think so?
Man, he finna air him out, bro. He finna air him out, bro. Yeah, man.
Ain't airing out us, man. What you talking about?
Hey, not trying to get off the conversation. You know, we on here chilling. Question, man. Say that nigga, that got killed this past week.
PMB Rock.
Bro, y'all think that nigga gas set him up?
Seems like it.
I don't think it was intentionally.
Man, what do you mean you don't
I
think it was intentionally?
I don't think it was intentional.
Man, let me tell you something.
That's how they do. That's how girls. She should have known better.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, man. That nigga had been going down there beefing with niggas for years. I mean, for a past couple of times. Didn't nobody know what it was at until she got on and did what she did. And then you go up in there, ain't nobody fuck with her or nothing.
Yeah.
That's the word on the streets that she had something to do with. They say every time she on the line or something, she drank out, iced out, and she wasn't on none of that shit that day.